Hi guys, this is called Just a Rainy Day by Mercer. Today it is raining. I don't like the rain. Mom says you can play inside. It will be fun. I say, but I don't want to play inside. I want to go somewhere. But Mom says the baby is taking a nap. We will have a quiet day here. I watched TV, but I was bored. I got out all my dolls, but they were bored too. I went to my brother's room. He would have something neat to do. But Mom said, stay out of your brother's room. I said, but he has neat stuff. Mom said, so do you. I went to my room, but I didn't have any neat stuff, so I decided to play dress up. I went to Mom and Dad's room. I put on Mom's dress and shoes. I went to the baby's room and got some baby clothes to dress the kitty in. But the kitty didn't want to play. The kitty made so much noise that he woke the baby up. Mom thought I woke the baby up. Mom had to rock the baby, so I thought I would help her and do some housework. I got the vacuum cleaner out, but the bag was full, so I changed it. Mom said the vacuum cleaner made too much noise for the baby to sleep, so I thought I would clean the bathroom. Mom, why is the toilet making bubbles? I asked. Since the baby didn't want to sleep, we all went to the mall. Mom said, the baby always sleeps at the mall. Boy, did that make her happy. Because I do love going to the mall when it's just a rainy day.